Us Norwegians have always been inspired by possibility. We dare to do things differently and to go beyond our horizons. Maybe it's the beauty of our home that has made us look further, beckoning us around the corner of every breathtaking fjord. Believing in what is possible inspired our first voyage in 1893. Since then, we've cared for the coast for 130 years, faithfully connecting people generation after generation. Believing in what is possible still pushes us now, inspiring us to change the way we sail and to set fully zero-emission ships as our goal. We will build ships that help to protect our precious home for generations to come. Zero-emission ships inspired by possibility and just beyond the horizon.